we can't get a shared memory segment of size 79,000. What is this weak-ass memory requirement? Right, I guess I don't really need to do that. What, you just divided by... how do you get kilobytes? You get rid of those. Right, so it's less than 1 megabyte, right? Why the fuck can't I get that? I literally do not believe you. That's the problem. I do not believe. What is it, 1920 by 1280? How do I get that number even? Because I think that's the whole screen. So its size should be depth by width by height. So we can divide by that. I don't know what that size is. That feels unexpected. What's unexpected is I can't get a window of that size. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's divided by 8. That should just be depth divided by 8. Like, I don't... Yeah. I don't think we're at risk of overflow. So 1x, want... I think they're all ints, right? Geom width, geom height, geom depth, size. So it's only the last one we can do. And what is this number? How come I couldn't get that? Oh, I didn't do 1080, I did 1280. Whoops. It's less than a megabyte. Why can't I get 3 of them? That's ridiculous. And also, why are they all the same size? That doesn't seem right. Couldn't name window pix map. I'm very confused. Why can't we allocate that memory? Couldn't get shared memory segment. Couldn't get shared memory segment. You know what? Get. So I guess we got kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes. You can use 10 gigabytes. Probably not. You can use 8 gigabytes. Sure. How do I actually insert stuff? I don't know how this works. Okay, fine. Do it manually. Yeah, I don't actually know how to use this. Is that not how it works? There was some other program that had a U-limit problem. Yeah, this one. Ah, it's like that. I think that's 1 gigabyte. Something like that. Still cannot allocate memory. Maybe it's not for data. Why is there not a fucking man page for U-limit? It's here. It's not here. Oh, it might be. Oh, this is in kilobytes? Yo, that's too big. And what is it, A? I don't know which one this is. That's the thing, because it's not the data segment, I don't think. The data area. Can I just like set all of them? Or the word unlimited. Okay, can we just do that? Unlimited. Okay, well, that's not the problem. I mean, can I just do all of them? I mean, it says it's not enforced, but I don't believe you. A time limit? Yeah. Yeah. Still cannot allocate memory. Why not? I'm not sure I understand what would be causing this. What if we made it smaller? Okay, what if we made it like 100? Did I fuck something up? I did, apparently. Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, so that's too big. Why? Oh, whoops. This includes memory allocated via malloc and all other anonymous memory mapped via mmap. When a soft limit is exceeded, a process may receive a signal, but it will not be allowed to continue execution until it reaches the. But it will be allowed until it reaches the hard limit. Like, I maybe am just. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dick around with this in the background and figure out what the problem is. And we're just gonna end it